G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I just want to give you a quick update on the channel, also give you a bit of a idea of the future plans for the channel and some of the projects I've got coming up. Mainly want to just take you for a look around, show you what I've been up to for the last few months and why you haven't seen too many videos from me lately. Anyway, I'll take you for a look around and show you what I've been doing, what's been keeping me busy. Alright, here we are outside the new shed. Up until now I've never really had anywhere to work out of the weather and under cover. But now with a little bit of money and a lot of time, I've finally achieved a dream. I've got a fully functional workshop and shed. Anyway, we'll go for a walk inside and have a look around. You can see there's been a lot of work going on in here. It's all done by myself, or 90% of it has been anyway. I had a little bit of help from a few good friends, mainly to do the roof and the insulation. That was a bit hard to do on my own. Yeah, as you can see, I've fully insulated the whole shed. I've still got a bit of lining to go on the walls here on the inside yet. I've done most of the back walls. I've lined that with all old timber flooring that I've managed to get hold of for nothing. It was all been thrown out. Concreted the floor. I had a good help from a younger brother do that. It was a lot of work, hand mixing all that and shoveling all the material by myself. Made a good long sturdy workbench along there. That's all made from old Australian hardwood. It's all been recovered from old building sites that have been thrown out. Very solid, very happy with the way that come up. And the boards I put on the wall there, the finish on that's just the used motor oil that I've put on that. And I'm really happy with the finish of that. Come up really nice. Still got a few more bits and pieces to put in here yet and organise things a bit better. The 15 amp power points all through the place, all the electrical work's all done, all the lighting. I've got LED lights on the roof. An old valve refacing machine there, that's going to come in handy. A little bench top lathe, that's a very handy piece of gear, that one. An old Reed Prentice vertical mill machine. It's not up and running yet. I've got to do a fair bit of work on that. That was recovered from the scrap yard. I thought that's too good to let go to scrap that. It'll be a handy machine when it's running. Another thing that was rescued from the scraps, this old 1944 Nuttall lathe. That's all up and running well now. It's a good machine, nice, sturdy built machine. A few more bits and pieces to go in here yet. There's a drill press there. Old Elliott universal milling machine. That's going to be very, very handy, that one. Got a lot of tooling that come with that. Going to be horizontal or vertical mill, that one. Got to do gear cutting and all sorts of things with that. Another thing that was rescued from the scraps, this old metal table that's going to be handy for welding. That was being thrown out. I've cleaned that up a bit. It's quite a handy table, nice solid vise on it. These bits here are off an old lathe I just rescued just recently. This one here come off a local farm that was in the back of a shed gathering dust. It's covered in good old mallee dust. A lot of the stuff stuck on it, but I should be able to clean that up and get it running. I've got some plans to use that for. If you're interested in seeing that get resurrected, I'll be tackling that soon. A couple of old motorbikes here that I don't know if you're interested in seeing motorbike projects, but there's a couple of old bikes here I want to get going soon too. So That's an old XT600. Anyway, this is where all my new projects are going to be happening. So I've got quite a few engine projects to take on, so I finally got a spot to work in, and yeah, so the projects will come in thick and fast from now on. So. All right, hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea where all my time's been going lately. So yeah, why I haven't been able to produce many videos at all. Yeah, as you can imagine, I've had no spare time between work and doing the shed. There's just been zero time available. So anyway, it's nearly all done now. So as I said before, I've got a lot of engine projects that need to be taken on. So maybe in the next few days I'll do another video and take you a look around outside and give you an idea of what I've got project-wise, and we'll make a decision on what we're going to take on first. And yeah, anyway, we'll see you next time.